Hey guys, I'm Juan here with Upgraded Points, and I'm with.
Liliana Lorenzo, Marketing Strategy at Walt Disney World.
All right, Liliana, tell us a little bit about the water parks. What's going on there?
Listen, we have two amazing water parks that are super immersive in their theme. Right now, Disney's Blizzard Beach is open. You know, the theme is after a snow blizzard came through Orlando, it kind of melted. And then we have Disney's Typhoon Lagoon Water Park, which is after a tropical storm, themed after a tropical storm came through, kind of left all the remnants there. You see the shrimp boat at the top, etc. People love our water parks because they have something for everyone, no matter if you're, looking for thrills, relaxation, great food, whatever it is, we have it at the water parks. And the great thing about Disney's Typhoon Lagoon is that we have North America's largest wave pool, and we've got 60 acres of fun. I don't think people realize how big it is. We have one of the longest lazy rivers in Central Florida, and it's just a lot of fun. And I like to say it's kind of like a vacation within your Walt Disney World vacation.
I've been to Typhoon Lagoon personally, and it's an amazing park. I love it. I enjoy it. My girls love it. So much fun. Tell us one more thing. Is there anything that we should anticipate or should be excited about coming up at the water parks?
Well, if you go to our Disney Water Parks Instagram channel, we might have some splashing news to share later today.
All right, we'll definitely hit it up. Thank you.
Thank you so much.